Hi guys, welcome back. So we have the next Tonic craft kit and I've not done anything with the previous one. So I am going to be playing catch up for months, but that means good content for you hopefully. So this is the next one. This I believe is kit number 75. We'll just take a look at it as it is. It is 75 and this is the Apothecary box. So you can create these little drawer boxes and they've got little like stands, like little feet, and I believe you can make a little drawer with the middle one as well, which is this little square in the middle. So this is the sort of thing you can make with this kit. So fantastic. So you get your little booklet thing with it. I obviously leave it off to the side so I can try and identify some of the papers in here. So first off you get your binder. Now I use these for a completely different thing. I use these to store my stencils in. Obviously there's only so many stencils and you know that somebody can have but every third kit you get a binder like this, and the idea is to put your little booklets that have your dies and stamps in them. They're already punched, ready to go, and they just fit inside here, and you can get about 3 I think into each one, hence every 3 months or every 3 kits you'll get another one, so you can put the next lot in if you want to store your stamps and dies like this. I store these very differently, you guys know that, but these are great little binders, little A5 binders that you can use, 2 rings that you can use for anything. So I've used it for stencils. I am pretty sure I've got a video on that. If you guys can't find it, it should be in my organisation playlist. If it's not in there, although I'm pretty sure it is, then let me know in the comments and I will find it or I will do a video on it. But I'm sure I did, because I explained how I altered the pockets so that you could use A5 pockets, which is cheaper. My cat's found some random thing on the floor. So you get another binder. So if we talk about the stamps and dies first of all, I usually do it in a different order, but I thought we'll do it this way. So in here you have your little sticker, which you get with every one. So you could put this on the front of the main box and keep all of it together until you've used it all up. I used to put these on the front of the paper bind folder, but I do this differently now as well. So I will just stick this somewhere else or leave it with the stamps and dies. It's just what I do now. So the stamps that come with this are very sort of ornate, decorative stamps, but again you can use these for anything. These would fit, I believe, on the sides or edges, corners of the dies when you've die cut the pieces out, as well as this square decorative piece. But again, you could use that for anything. You could add a lovely sentiment in the middle and just make a card out of that and not do any of the die cutting part of it. So the stamps that you do get are very versatile. That's the word I was looking for. So for the dies you do get full instructions which come in your little leaflet. So you have the different pieces to create the boxes and the drawers. So these are the little drawers, and then you have decorative pieces to, like that one looks like it just embosses mostly and then cuts the center out. There's some looks like hinges and some decorative elements that you can add to the fronts of your boxes and the little drawers and things. And then all these look like the little legs, and again extra little pieces to help hinge those things together so you can make them, you know, so you can join them together. So I will attempt to do something with this, because this is actually one, like, I love apothecary style things. So I'm looking forward to actually making this, but I will share that with you if when I get there. Yeah, so very cool die set, lots of dies in there. Not even sure what that is. I'll have to read the instructions. But very cool, and like I say, you can store them like this, which is quite good, or you can in the binders, or you can store them the way I do, as many people do that as well. So for the paper, we have the Craft Essentials Essential Elements, and this is a mirror card collection. So there's Ruby Red, Inca Gold, Glossy Black, and Halo Waves. Whoops. Halo Waves, and you get 4 colours, 6 of each design, and this is 6 by 6. So this is the Ruby Red, which is very red and very blingy. This is probably one of my favourites. It's like a gloss black. So cool. Hollow Waves. So there's a holographic, I hope the camera's actually picking this up when you're looking at this. It's a silver, and then you tilt it and you've got this rainbow thing going on. And then the Inca Gold is the other one, which is down here. And this one again has that, it's gold, but it has this beautiful rainbow, I think hollow it being holographic. Beautiful rainbowy thing going on. How cool is that? So I hope the camera's picked that up. When I'm looking at it through the camera I can see it, but hopefully when I actually edit this it'll be there. So those are really, really cool. So that's your extra paper pack. Then we have the main paper. Oi, can't talk. Oh, it's quite thick today. Let's see, let's get them out there. Whoa, bling. So, let's see if I can work this out. Because there's some classics in here. Some beautiful matte. I love the matte metallics, I've got to say. They're probably my favourites. Oh, there's some really cool papers in here. Oh, she says. Get very excited about paper. Please tell me I'm not the only person who gets excited about paper. I do get it. I'm obsessed with paper and cardstock. I can't help it. So we have, these are the classics. So you have 2 sheets each of the Peer View, which is like a grey colour. 2 sheets of the, oh sorry, this is the Misty Grey. You have 2 sheets of that. Peer View is this sort of navy sort of colour. You have 2 sheets of that. And then you have a sheet of Maroon Red. So again, these are classic cardstocks. They're great for die cuts. They die cut beautifully, I will say. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. And I like the colour palette they've gone with as well. Let's see if I can get this right. Because there's a lot of cool things in this pack. Right, so let's see if I can start here. So we have a Opera Red gloss mirror card. So that's this, I'll try not to blind you, but that's this colour here. Then we have, I'm trying to go in the order I've got them here for you. Then we have a Blue Obsidian satin mirror card, which is this one, which again is this beautiful, beautiful blue. This is stunning. Right, so then this silvery one is the Frosted Silver mirror cardstock. I just love it. Love it. And then we have the okay, we have the Flounders Blue. Look at that, it's like suede almost. And this is a specialty cardstock. And then this red one, it's a pearlescent colour. Oh, it is red velvet, and it's a pearlescent red. That's beautiful. So I gotta say, that's a lot of cardstock in this kit. I don't know if we get quite so much, or the variety of different cardstocks. I mean, we get a good variety every month, but yeah, I'm like, whew. Beautiful colours. Right, so in the bag of fun, we have some Nouveau Adhesive Tape Runner. This is a 5mm by 6m dotted blue tape. So I think, which one do I have? Do I have? I don't know if this is the same. Is this the same? This came in another kit. I think this is just a flat tape, if you know what I mean, whereas this is a dotted one. So this is handy for, you know, if you want to, maybe you need to just stick something together but you don't want it all over it, you can kind of get rid of the extra little dots. But that's really cool, so that'll be nice. Is it a, and it is a mini one. It is a permanent hold one, so not a temporary. Then we have a Nouveau Aqua Shimmer. Oh, I didn't realise this was a shimmer. So this is a sunlit sienna, so it's like a coppery colour, so it's, you know, going to be coppery. So that's more of the shade of colour, but obviously this is foiled, so, but it's going to be a shimmer, so that's really cool. I did not expect that one, or forgot, probably is more like. And then we have Vintage Drops in Earl Grey. This is a really lovely colour, just a simple grey. I do like greys, I like this. This is a nice shade of grey. And this is a full-size bottle, I believe, for the Vintage Drops. Full-size pen. I don't know if they make them smaller. And then a full-size, I believe, yep, embellishment mousse in Antique Red. And this is a very cool antique-y, reddy colour. So embellishment mousse, not crackle or anything like that, just the original kind of mousses. But oh, wouldn't this be cool? The reds, the coppers, the greys for Valentine's, but maybe not so lovey-dovey. Maybe that's what we might be doing, something like that. Because let's face it, you only need so many Valentines, right? Cards or projects or whatever. So that is it for this kit. And I said for this week. That's for this kit. I will obviously be back at some point to try and showcase more of all these products. And yeah, hopefully I'll get something done sooner rather than later for you guys. Like I've said in the last few videos, things kind of just happen. So sometimes you need a break. So yeah, I've got lots of catching up to do and I'm working on it slowly, but bear with me. If you have this kit, I will be back and I will show you what I am going to do with it. I don't know yet. So until next time, guys, enjoy your crafting, have a great day, and I will see you then.